What's the meaning of choker? Choker. Choker.
Choker. Choker. A choker is a type of necklace that fits tightly around the neck. It gained popularity in the 1990s and has since made a comeback in fashion trends. Chokers can be made from a variety of materials, including velvet, lace, metal, and beads. Some chokers are decorated with pendants or charms, while others have a simple and minimalist design. They come in different styles and lengths, ranging from collar-style chokers to delicate and dainty ones. Overall, chokers offer a stylish way to accessorize any outfit and add a touch of edginess to your look.